Hey Ron, so this is to show, okay, I signed this email here, george@moderncreature.com, through the iframe, and it says no matching email address is found. How I got there was, I think the only way to really get there by just going through the design studio, logged out. So here I just hit checkout, and on step 2 it asks to register an account. So I'll do Mike DTLA, we'll do info@dtlaprint.com, it's a new one, honey123, honey123. Here, let's try. No, stay. What is it?
Somebody's looking for you for the supervision issue.
Oh, tell them I'll be right there. Yeah. Okay, sorry, back. We'll do vp@dtlaprint.com. Honey123 is the password. And that's the way of registering for the account that's not showing up in the WordPress backend.